The cadence of your heartbeat was my favorite tune. Now I'm dancing solo beneath the crescent moon. With every step I take, I tread through broken glass, reflections of a future that never came to pass. With a haunting melody, we'll paint the stars with our memory. These trembling hands hold a fading view. With each tender touch, I'm still feeling you. Eyes that held the stars, night's somber glow, haunting this heart in a dance too slow. Fragments of a dream that can't renew. Promises we made, in silence they withdrew. Speak softly to me, I'll hear your silent truth, cradled by notes, in love with the muse. The pain's too deep, it flows like youth, gone too soon, like a whisper on the loose. So we'll sing a soft refrain underneath this sky of grey. In the quiet of the night, we echoed love's parade. Endless banter, tender whispers in the game we played. Your shadow lingers here, a specter in the rain. Love's symphony now broken, a ballad laced with pain. A symphony unfinished, where have the sonnets gone?